You think you got everybody fooled, don't you?
Kala ko letter T, letter D pala. Donnie pala, sorry.
Ang dami pa rin nagtatag sa akin ng pictures niya ni Don.
Well, not me, honey. I've known you too long. And no matter how hard you try to deny it,
Sabi niya, Mami Vance, di mo narinig. Sabi ko, Donnie. Mali pa yung pinuking ko. Si Donnie pala. Mabait yan. Magalang yan na bata.
I can tell you care as much about him as he cares about you.
First, before I say his name, I really admire how he carries himself. Gentleman siya.
Okay.
And I want to know him more as a friend.
He is?
It's Donnie.
Donnie Pangilinan.
Yeah.
Donnie Pangilinan. Okay.
To admit that you love him.
Kinikilig ka ba kay Donnie? Kasi yung mga fans, the girls, na kahit naman ako kinikilig kay Donnie.
Despite all your efforts to never let another heart touch yours.
Parang hindi pa ako ready. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine yung sarili ko na may ka-holding hands. Tapos may kaganyan, may sinasundan. Parang hindi ko ma-imagine.
That little, persistent kid has somehow gotten in under the wire. And that's what's happened, huh? Admit the truth. You love him, don't you?
Siyempre naman.
Masaya yung concert.
I thought so. Then tell him.
Sige, gusto ko si Donnie.
Gusto niya si Don.
Gusto ka daw, pare.
Sabi ko na eh.